If you've ever noticed a high-pitched whining noise in your car audio system that seems to fluctuate with the engine's RPMs, you're likely dealing with alternator whine. This issue can be frustrating, especially when it disrupts the quality of your music or audio experience. Fortunately, it's a common issue in car audio setups, and there are effective solutions to eliminate it. In this blog, we'll explore why your car audio system has alternator whine and, more importantly, how you can fix it. What is alternator whine? Alternator whine is an electrical noise that is typically caused by interference between the car's alternator and the audio system. The alternator generates electricity to power the vehicle's electrical systems, and it also charges the car's battery. As it does so, it produces a small amount of electromagnetic noise, which can be picked up by sensitive audio components. When this noise gets into your car audio system, it creates that annoying high-pitched sound that fluctuates with your engine's RPMs. The faster your engine runs, the louder and higher pitched the whine becomes. Causes of alternator whine. Before diving into solutions, it's helpful to understand what causes alternator whine. The most common causes include grounding issues. One of the primary reasons for alternator whine is improper grounding. When your audio components, amplifier, head unit, etc., are not grounded properly, the electrical interference from the alternator can leak into the system and cause noise. Poorly shielded cables. If your audio signal cables, RCA cables, are not well shielded, they can act like antennas and pick up noise from the car's electrical system. Power and signal wire proximity. Running power and signal wires too close together can cause the power wires to induce noise into the signal wires, leading to alternator whine. Faulty alternator. In rare cases, the alternator itself might be malfunctioning or producing excessive electrical noise, leading to interference with the car's audio system. Ground loops. Ground loops occur when there are multiple grounding points at different potentials, causing electrical interference that results in alternator whine. How to fix alternator whine. Now that we understand the causes, let's look at some of the most effective ways to eliminate alternator whine from your car audio system. Check and improve ground connections. Improper grounding is the most common cause of alternator whine. To resolve this, check all ground connections, make sure your amplifier, head unit, and any other audio components have solid ground connections to the car's chassis. Use a high-quality grounding point, sand down the metal surface to ensure there's no paint or rust that could hinder the connection. The ground wire should be as short as possible and securely bolted to clean, bare metal. Consider a ground loop isolator. If you suspect a ground loop isolator can help eliminate the noise by isolating the audio ground from the power ground. Use high-quality, shielded RCA cables. Your RCA cables carry the audio signal from the head unit to the amplifier. Poor quality or unshielded cables can pick up noise from the electrical system. Upgrade your RCA cables. Invest in high-quality, shielded RCA cables to minimize interference. Look for cables that are designed to block external electromagnetic interference, EMI. Route RCA cables away from power wires. Keep the RCA cables as far away from the power cables as possible. Ideally, they should be run along separate sides of the car. Install a noise filter. If you've already checked the grounding and upgraded your cables, but the whine persists, a noise filter can be a good solution. Install a power line noise filter. This device helps eliminate noise that travels through the power lines by filtering out unwanted frequencies. Inline noise filters for RCA cables. You can also use inline noise filters on your RCA cables, which can block interference and clean up the signal before it reaches the amplifier. Check the alternator and battery. If none of the above solutions work, it's possible that your alternator or battery is the culprit. A faulty alternator can generate excessive noise, while a weak or failing battery can cause the alternator to work harder, increasing the chances of noise. Test the alternator and battery. Have a mechanic test your alternator and battery to ensure they are functioning properly. If the alternator is producing excessive noise, you may need to replace it. Consider a high-output alternator. If your car audio system is large and draws significant power, a high-output alternator can help prevent noise caused by an overworked stock alternator. Use a capacitor or upgraded wiring. Large audio systems can strain your electrical system, causing voltage drops that can lead to alternator whine. Upgrading your wiring or using a capacitor can help stabilize the voltage. Add a capacitor. Installing a capacitor between the battery and the amplifier can help stabilize voltage and reduce noise. Upgrade your wiring. Use thicker, high-quality wires, such as 10-gauge or 12-gauge, to handle the increased power demands of your system, preventing voltage drops that can cause noise. Conclusion: alternator whine is a common issue in car audio systems, but it's usually easy to fix by addressing the grounding, cabling, and power issues. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can eliminate that annoying high-pitched noise and enjoy your car audio system without interruptions. Proper grounding, high-quality cables, and noise filters can all contribute to a clean, noise-free audio experience. If all else fails, checking the alternator and considering upgrades to your electrical system can ensure that your car's audio system runs smoothly, even with the engine running. With a little troubleshooting and the right components, you can get rid of alternator whine for good and fully enjoy your car audio system.